Well, here it is, all busted up. What you laughing at? Scott over there laughing at me. This guy right there, say hi, Scott. Say hi, Scott. You're supposed to say hi, Scott. This is his place, and he's awesome because he's letting me put the Beaver in here and work on it because it's cold outside, and I would not want to be doing this in an unheated hangar. So Scott is the man, and he's awesome. Check this out, though. I mean, we should put a video, a whole video montage together on this puppy here. What is this?
It's a Volkswagen Doom buggy.
It is a Volkswagen Doom buggy.
The Doom buggy.
The Doom buggy, right? With an M. Anyway, maybe once this is done, we'll do a quick video on this too, because this would be neato. That's the new word of.
Advertise the shop. There's some stuff in there, all painted up, some railings in there.
This would be, yeah, we could do free advertising for Palmer's Fabrication. And what's Emmett run? What's he have? Napa, right? Oh. It's CarQuest. It's CarQuest. I'm kidding. It's not Napa. Emmett, don't kill me. So here's the ski, and that's Dave. Bye, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
So what happened is, originally this ski didn't have this extra segment in here. You can see we got a fresh piece welded on there. This ski was, you know, yay high, and the gear that I have on here is bigger than what the factory calls for. I went a couple sizes up with the tires because, you know, bigger is better. And what ended up happening is when the plane sat level, because the nose ski was shorter, the plane sat at a negative angle of attack on takeoff. And so accelerating on wheels, no big deal because there's so little drag on the wheels, very little rolling resistance, and the plane would just rotate no problem and take off. Oh, check out my cool lamp. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, you're not cool until you have one of these on your head. Now I got a mark. So anyway, we thought that if we made that ski taller, the nose would sit more level, and then when we took off, in fact, we had it set up so that we actually had a positive angle of attack, so immediately the wings are going to start creating lift so as soon as we start accelerating, and we figured we'd get off the ground faster. Because with the skis and in the wet snow, it was just so much drag, and on top of that, the front ski being forced into the ground by the propeller being over the center of gravity, and just everything compounded and came together to make it really hard to get off the snow when you had any sort of resistance at all. So, cue the idea, let's make the front ski taller, and so we'll get off the ground faster. Well, what we failed to take into account is physics, I guess. This isn't the best spot for mounting this limiting cable anyway. This cable is designed to not let the ski come down more than level. Obviously nothing is right now because all the geometry is gone because everything's broken. But it originally was, before I took off, on the video that you saw just a few minutes ago, this ski was set up so that it could not go any further than level so that the nose would not go down and dig into the snow. Well, my math was wrong, or I didn't test it good enough, and that cable was either too long or that was in the wrong spot. That should have been really up here somewhere. I should have drilled a hole and put it into a piece of metal on the inside of the pod, and so that the ski couldn't go down. It went down too far, and the nose ski caught, and it flipped right upside down, smashed that, and on the inside, like you saw earlier, smashed these tubes here, cut them right in half basically. And yeah, broke everything. So that's kind of in a nutshell what happened, and I'm sure there's a better explanation by somebody who's smarter than me, but no, we're not gonna do that right now. That's what you get because we're in the middle of taking it apart and trying to fix it. So we'll keep you updated as to our progress.
Doesn't get more.
There we go. I've sort of got the camera set up, so hopefully. Okay.
Don't bump your head. That's my height, not your height.
Okay. Yep. Now we find out what I forgot to unhook. Anything?
The brake line.
Oh, brake lines.
I'll hold the front.
Okay.
You grab your side cutters.
Okay. Anything else?
I believe that's it.
find out in a minute.
Around this way.
Well, there's your problem. It's supposed to do that, right? It's suspension. Who needs a pod anyway? That could be fun to fly just like that. What do you think?
Breezy.
All right, final update for tonight, because we're going home, because it's dark out and it's 10 o'clock almost. So there's the inside of the pod. All busted up. And we have the tubes off, and you can see this bend, maybe. It's not much, but it goes here and then it comes up. So it's bent right there. And it's broken right there. So this tube should be straight. The good news is that it's supposed to be straight, because then we can just get another tube, drill holes, pop it in. That's enough of an update for now. Say good night, Dave.
Good night, Dave.
Oh, beautiful.